Hey guys, welcome back to another episode here at F-Line Garage, where I'm a little bit off-site, where I store my Corvette. I keep it in some shipping containers, and so my garage isn't quite big enough. So you're probably wondering why I'm here and why I have the Z06 out and why I'm making this video for you. Well, I think this one's going to be one of the harder ones I do. How hard can it be? But probably pretty hard. What am I going to do? Watch. Let's keep going. Well, I think it's time to let this beast go. I got too many cars. I got to let some of this fleet go. It's been awesome getting to drive a Procharged Z06 C5 LS6. But I'm kind of changing direction on how a lot of things are going. So, if you know anybody that wants this, I'm going to post the description and some details down below, but this thing's gnarly. I'm going to tell you that. It's pretty much only for the track, guys. This probably wouldn't be ready for the street. 5.6 part ring harness, no airbags, no horn, you know, stuff like that. But anyway, it is licensed and insured. I won't give you that. But it's going to be a sad day to see this thing go. But we got cool things coming ahead, so yeah. All right. Well, hey, if you know of anybody that wants this, let me know. It's 2002 Z06 Procharged. I run it at Sebring a couple times. Worked out some kinks. Added a lot of stuff. It's ready for the next owner. So check out the description and the details below, and you guys know how to get a hold of me.